Yo guys, Kevin Cesario with the C Group. Today I want to talk about this amazing investment opportunity that one of my clients has already closed on by the time you watch this video. 226 Harben in Marina. Now you look at it at face value and you see 6 units across a large lot and think, Kevin, that's cool, but what makes it so special? Well, here's the catch. Number one, this is a marina, so it has no water credits. So the water is not a problem like it would be anywhere else on the peninsula. We can't just go add units necessarily to somewhere like Monterey or Seaside without having to really bend things around and change because water isn't accessible. Marina, that is not an issue. Not only that, it's zoned R4 residential. Now there are 6 units on over a half-acre lot, and you might think that's great, but after talking to an architect and draftsman, we came to the conclusion that we can add up to a total of 19 units at this property without much trouble. So all of a sudden we're taking this already spectacular property and maximizing the return on that investment. We already own the land, we have no water restrictions, and there's plenty of space to build. So what are the next steps? We're going to be building a ground up addition to the apartment complex, adding more units and taking advantage of some accessory dwelling unit laws, adding additional rental income as well. Now we will have to add additional covered parking spots, but this is really going to up the zoning and increase the income from this property for a huge development play. Now, who might this be right for? Number one, this is going to be a great cash-on-cash return investment. So if you have the capital up front to purchase a property like this and then make that investment and adding more units, it can be a very lucrative deal in the long term. It'll also add quite a bit of appreciation. It's also a great way to offset taxes, being capital expenditures. So the money being spent on this property is going to offset other gains made in your portfolio, and it will allow you to add equity to the property and take on that good losses that you'd be looking for. So at the end of the day, we'll end up with a spectacular building with tons of rental income, brand new units, and overall a great maximized potential. And along the way, we're going to get great tax incentives to do it, leading us in a winning situation. So what should we look for? R4 residential, outside of the water credit restrictions, looking for building potential so you can maximize value, increase the income at the property, and provide more units to those people who need to find rentals. For more information and to find similar opportunities, give me a call. I'd love to go over it with you.